The Ocean Acidification Research Center is a service laboratory within the College of Fisheries and Ocean Sciences at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, located on the Trotheta campus. Ocean acidification is the result of anthropogenic increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide that is later absorbed by the ocean, causing a decrease in seawater pH. Placement of this center in Alaska is critical to the state's long-term interests because the region will experience the effects of ocean acidification faster and to a greater degree than in lower latitudes. This is due to colder water temperatures, ocean circulation patterns, and highly productive continental shelves. We specialize in monitoring the carbonate system in coastal waters, where the magnitude and variability of carbon cycling is higher than in the open ocean. Our research focuses on high-quality observations. We use platforms such as moorings, including sensors that monitor seawater carbon dioxide, and repeat hydrographic cruises to determine the intensity, duration, and extent of ocean acidification in the Pacific Arctic region. As a recharge center, we also accept seawater samples from different user types, including oceanographers with federal and state agencies, biologists conducting experiments on the effects of ocean acidification on various species, and nonprofit organizations. We analyze the submitted seawater samples for dissolved inorganic carbon and total alkalinity. Our data are publicly accessible on our webpage, where you'll find records from Alaska's coast, including projects in the Gulf of Alaska, Bering Sea, Chukchi Sea, and Beaufort Sea. We also submit all of our data to the Synthesized Global Carbon Products. In this United Nations Decade of Ocean Science, we are contributing to the global objective to implement new science and build on existing science to understand the cumulative impacts to our oceans from the changing climate. Understanding and monitoring ocean acidification is critical for our local, regional, and global blue economy. Please contact us for more information and stay up to date on current events on our Twitter feed.